Hi children, welcome back to our IT class. Hope all of you understood the various options we have discussed in the software LibreOffice Writer. Today we will learn some theory part of the lesson. First, let's have a look at input devices. You have already studied that keyboard and mouse are input devices. Keyboard is the major device which is used to input text. Mouse is an input device which is known as pointing device. Right. Now, we will learn some new input devices. Children, there are many people around us who are not able to type using a keyboard. Similarly, there are some who cannot read the text displayed on the computer screen. Won't they have the need to use computers? How is it possible for them to use a computer? Listen, there are various ways to help such people to input text and read the matter displayed on the screen. The matter from a book can either be identified and read or converted to a text file in a computer using various softwares. Normally, it is done in the following way. The first step is to take an image of the page using scanner. If a person is not able to type anything using computer, he can make use of scanner, which is an input device, to take an image of the page and save it in the computer for further use. Here, the next step of the system is to identify the characters in the image and change them to a text format. For that, there are various softwares. They are generally called OCR, which means Optical Character Recognition software. OCR software is the software which help us to identify the characters in the image and change them to text format. Clear? The full form of OCR is Optical Character Recognition. LIOS available in our system is one such software and it works based on the OCR software like Cuneiform and Tesseract. Second thing, we can identify the words of our speech and convert them to text and feeding them into a computer. That is speech to text. This can be done by using another input device called microphone. Microphone is an input device which is used to input our voice into the computer. Here, we can make use of the softwares Spins, Julius, Simon. These softwares are speech recognition softwares, and these softwares will convert the audio data that has been input into the computer into the text format. Clear? Now we have to study one more theory part, that is workspace. Workspace is an efficient system which helps us to deal with more than one window simultaneously. Now we will see some output devices. Do you know what is an output? The data taken out from a computer is called output. There are various output devices. Monitor is an output device. Monitor displays the information on the screen. Printer is an example of output device. By using the printer, we can print the output on paper. Now, note that the file that we have saved itself is an output. It can be stored in devices like CD, that is compact disc, or pen drive, or it can be sent as an email to another person. Okay, we will move to the next topic. We have to study some shortcut keys of some options in LibreOffice Writer. For copying an object, we can use the shortcut key Ctrl C. By pressing the Ctrl key, we can press the letter C to get the copy of an object. To cut the text, we have to use Ctrl and X. For pasting objects, we have to use the shortcut key Ctrl V. Okay children, this is the end of this chapter. In this lesson, we have studied the software LibreOffice Writer, some options, their shortcut keys, and some theory parts such as input devices, output devices, workspace, etc. If you have any doubt, ask me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.